Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? Today lecture 6. Today topic is Provincial Governor Sindh, Pakistan. First was Ghulam Hussain Hidayatullah. His time period was 15 August 1947 to 4 October 1948. Second was Deen Muhammad. His time period was 7 October 1948 to 18 November 1952. Third was Mia Aminuddin. His time period was 18 November 1952 to 1st May 1953. After this, Kingston IX. His time period was 2 May 1953 to 12 August 1953. And 5 was Ibrahim Rahmatullah. His time period was 12 August 1953 to 23 June 1954. After this, number 6, Khan Iftikhar Hussain Mabdood. His time period was 24 June 1954 to 14 October 1955. After this, number 7, Lieutenant General Rehman Gul. His time period was 1st July 1970 to 24 December 1971. After this, Mumtaz Ali Bhutto. His time period was 24 December 1971 to 20 April 1972. After this, number 9, Mir Rasul Talpur. His time period was 29 April 1972 to 13 February 1973. Number 10, Begum Rana Liaquatullah Khan. His time period was 15 February 1973 to 29 February 1976. Number 11, Nawab Dilawar Khan of Junagadh. His time period was 19 February 1976 to 5th July 1977. Number 12, Mr. Justice Abdul Qadir. His time period was 5 July 1977 to 18 September 1978. Number 13, Lieutenant General Ibrahim Abbasi. His time period was 18 September 1978 to March 1984. And number 14, Lieutenant General Jahanabad. His time period was 22 March 1984 to 4 January 1987. Dear fellows, these were the provincial governors of Sindh. Now at 1 to 14. After these governors, inshallah, we will discuss on next lecture. Thanks for watching. Hope you gain knowledge. Kindly subscribe my channel. Inshallah, it will be helpful to you in your life. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.